I bought this Bladeless fan for under £40 at the time of recording, August 2024. It normally sells for around £130. I have the 65cm one here. You can also get this in 55cm. This has a silver base. You can also get one with the blue base. Is it any good? Let's find out in today's review. And remember, as always, if you want to pick this up or know more about it, click the first link in the description box below. If you find the video helpful, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. This is everything that was included inside the box. We get instruction booklet, the bottom base. It has some information there. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Rubber pads here. That's where the fan will sit. Remote control. Oops. Remember to remove this from the back of the battery, otherwise the remote will not work. Power on off, that will change the settings between high and low. You can also mute the sound from the fan. That will make the fan oscillate. Timer button, you could select from 1 hour all the way up to 9 hours. Power down, power up. This fan has 8 speeds. Okay, looking at the fan, I'll show you the bottom first. We put that in there and it just sits in place. We have a fixed cord coming from the back. Mine is a 3-pin one because I'm in the UK, and it's a nice length as well. I don't know exactly how long it is, but it's a good length that. Air inlet, control panel. These here are air outlet, and it only lets air out from one side. There's nothing on the other side. I'll just turn it around and show you. Let's turn it on and then we'll have a closer look at the display. Power on off. It's turned on number 5. It will remember the last memory. The screen does go off after a bit, and then you just tap it and it will turn the fan off. That's to make the fan oscillate. That's high or low. You have the timer button there as well. So you've got 1 hour all the way up to 9 hours. And then after 9 hours, it will shut itself off. The fan speed. So you've got from 1 all the way up to 8. I was going to use the remote control to show you the functions. They're both exactly the same, whether you're using the main body or you're using the remote control. However, the remote control is not working. It does have a battery in it, but it's not working. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my microphone off and place it next to the fan, and I'll go through speed 1 all the way to 8 so you can get an idea how loud it is. To get the best idea, I'd advise use some headphones. Speed 1, as you can see. Of course, it does get louder when it's on speed 8. I'm going to use the instruction manual to show you the wind power on this. It's on number 5. Let's start from number 5. No point starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 because it isn't that powerful on that speed. That's 6. It's already bending that paper. Number 7, yeah, that's more powerful. And then we have number 8. That's the maximum. Okay, so my overall thoughts, I think it's a decent fan. It's safe to have around kids and pets because it doesn't have any blades. Because it's bladeless, it's easy to clean. It isn't that loud up to level 5, Once you start going to level 6, 7 and 8, it is slightly loud. It lets out nice cool air. I don't know how to explain. Do you know, like you get them cheap fans where they're just pushing like hot air around? This does let out cool air. I like that it has a timer on it because you can set a timer, say 3 hours, and then it will shut off after that. That's a great feature. I think every product should have that. A fan and heaters should have a timer in it. And I know sometimes when you go for a timer, the price bumps up. If you are interested in this fan, now's the time to buy it, because like I said, I bought this for under £40 and normally it's around £130. I don't like the screen going off and you're not able to access other functions. Like the screen's gone off now. When I tap it, it will just shut off. It would have been nice if I tap it and it brought the display back up, because say if I want to change the speed level, I can see, like in my case, the remote's not working. So I've got to power it off, then I've got to power it back on and then go through the settings again. That's my only little complaint. I mean, it's not a big deal. It's not a deal breaker. But for me, I just think, fair enough, it goes off, but when you tap on it, it should come back on, go back in standby mode rather than just completely going off. If you can get this for the price I bought it at, I'd 100% recommend it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.